Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are here, you are probably ready to tackle a tricky GCSE math problem. And I've got just the one for you today. If you saw my TikTok, you might have already tried solving this one, but no worries. Let's break it down step by step. So let's read this first. This rectangular frame is made from 5 straight pieces of metal. The weight of the metal is 1.5 kilograms per meter. Work out total weight of the metal in the frame. So let's figure out what is given. So we know we have 5 straight pieces of metal, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. We know the weight of the metal is 1.5 kilograms per meter. And we need to work out the total weight of the metal frame. So let's think from backwards. Total weight of the frame we can work out using this 1.5 kilograms per meter. So we need to figure out how long is the frame, how long are the pieces in the frame. So what we know that we have 12 meters here, this side. So because it's rectangular, then it means this piece as well is 12 meters long. This side is 5 meters. So in that case, this side is 5 meters. So what we need to figure out is how long is this. So if you can see here, this is the right angle triangle. And there is a formula that we can use to figure out that side, which is actually hypotenuse. And the formula is a square plus b square equals h square, where the a and b are the sides next to the right angle, and h is the hypotenuse. So let's solve this. Let's find the hypotenuse. So a in our case can be the 12, so 12 square, and the b is the 5 square equals h square. So 12 square, you can multiply, sort it out, but if you remember, this is 144. Plus 5 square, this is 25, and this is equals h square. 144 plus 25 is 169, and this is equals h square. So now, in order that we solve the h, we need to do a square root from 169, which is 13. So when you are not sure, if you don't remember, you can always try 12 by 12 how much it is, 13 by 13 how much it is, and figure out. Otherwise, there are some things that it is better to remember for the exam. And no worries, you can always practice that. So now when we know that this is 13, so this side is 13 meters. So let's see, we know all the sides, so we can know the length. So I will call length is L. So the length of the frame will be 12 multiplied by 2 because we have two sides, plus 5 multiplied by 2 because we have two sides of that, plus 13, which is equal, this is 24, this is 10, and plus 13. So when we do the multiplication, 24 plus 10 is 34, 34 plus 13 is 47. So now what is left is, we need to figure out weight. The weight of the metal is 1.5 kilograms per meter. And we have that our length is 47 meters. So which means 1 meter is 1.5 kilograms, which means we need to calculate the weight. We just multiply 47 meters by 1.5 kilograms, which gives us 70.5 kilograms, and this is our answer. So if you find this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more GCSE math challenges. And if you got any more questions or tricky problems you'd like me to solve, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.